yellow wire connected to the ground terminal and the green wire is connected to 3.3 volt of the Arduino Nano. This is VCC and this is ground. This is ground and this is VCC. And next two remaining will be connected to the A4 and A5. This keypad has 8 pins. The first pin is R1, then R2, R3, R4, then C1, C2, C3, C4. We will connect R1 to D9, D9, D8, D7 to the last one, that is D2. 12, 11, 10 and 9. This buzzer has one positive terminal and one negative terminal. Positive terminal I am going to connect at D10 and negative just confirm that you have to connect at ground. I am using a red LED, a green LED, but I don't remember which is red and which is green, but I am going to add in this circuit. The open ports are 11 and 12. So I will connect both LEDs at 11 and 12. LEDs is here and here is the ground. Just see, this is the ground. So we are going to upload the code. So here is the code. You can slow down and use it. I am going to upload. See, compiling the sketch. Done. See, here ready is written. So our system is ready. Here is the string password 1234, and you have to remember this hash is for enter the password and star is to the for the clear the input. Let us try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have to press hash to send the password. Okay, I have used the wrong LED at wrong place, so I am going to replace the ports. Now once I have to reset this, the system is again ready. I am going to enter the password 1, 2, 3, 4 and hash to send the password. Password is correct and green light glows. Password and press hash. It will write wrong and again the system ready. Red light glows.